Hi my loves and hi my peasants. This is an unboxing. You're watching Learn from the King. If you like the sleepwear that I'm wearing, it's from CorsetWe.com. They recently sent me this and I did a review up for them on my last video, and I'm really feeling this. Like, I wasn't expecting to have liked this sleepwear so much, but it's really comfortable and it's really good quality, especially in comparison to my other sleepwear. So I've been wearing this like a lot. So if you guys are interested in looking bougie, go check them out. Guys, I have braces now, and it's really painful for me to eat, and I'm going through a lot right now, but I might make some videos on my braces, on me getting my wisdom teeth pulled, because guys, I had a lot going on in my life that you guys missed out on, and a lot of funny stuff happened to me, especially when I got my wisdom tooth pulled out. So I might do a story time on that, but right now we're gonna get into this unboxing. So, you know I don't have patience, so I already opened it. These items were sent to me by Sugarysweetsisters. They are Etsy sellers, but they have their own website too, and they sell charms and jewelry, and the charms are really cute to me. I mean, everyone has their different cups of tea, but I like charms still. I'm still in like the juicy couture phase of life, so if you're like me, then this is for you. So this is what the boxes look like. They're brown. They come with this really cute ribbon, and it's wrapped so professionally. And I just like that they took the time to do this, and it comes with a tag that has your name on it, and it has like these gold dots, but I'm not going to show you my name. I'm not going to expose myself like that. To you, when you address me, I am king. You're not going to call me by my name, and you're not going to find out what my name is. Moving on, we're going to open the packaging. And so inside they have like some foam padding, or like, I'm not sure exactly what this is, but they put padding inside of it, and that's very nice. And also inside of the packaging that has the boxes that comes with your items, they give you bubble wrap inside, so I think that's really professional. And this was really hard to open, so there's not really any way that these could get damaged, because like, it was sealed really good. It has bubble wrap. I mean, like, this is very professional. This is just so good. Such good quality. The first item sent to me is a milk and cookie necklace. This is what it looks like. So this is the cookie, and this is like a jar of milk, and I think that's really cute, and I'm definitely gonna wear this. I love it so much. And by the way, these are handmade. They make these by hand, so I just find that very talented and like very unique. The next necklace that they sent to me is a boba tea necklace. It has ice in it. It has like, I think this is a little straw, so it has ice in it, a little straw, some candy canes, I think, like broken pieces of candy cane, and it has like the little bubble things at the bottom. And the necklace strings feel pretty sturdy. They seem good quality, and everything just looks good quality. There's nothing for me to complain about so far. The next necklace that they sent me is this hamburger necklace. I'm gonna give it to my sister, but it's really like, it's really neat as well, and it's like a really high stacked hamburger that I can't eat right now because of the braces. Okay, so I'm gonna open the next two boxes. These are just really nice. Like, you would think that there would be a wedding ring inside of here, but it's just like these dang necklaces. Oh, wow. So it comes with a card too. Sugary Sweet Charms, handmade polymer clay charms. Every charm is unique. Their email is sugary.sweet.charm@gmail.com. Their website is www.sugarysweetsisters.com, and their Instagram is sugary.sweet.charms. So the next thing I got was a s'mores charm, which I could add to a necklace chain, and I think that's really cute because I really love s'mores. Whenever I get Pop-Tarts, I always get them in the s'more flavor because that's really the only one that I like ever since trying it. And then I also got this keychain. So it has like a Starbucks cup on it, a cinnamon roll, chocolate, and what is this? I think this is a cupcake. So I'm going to show you closer. It has a bow at the top. And this is the Starbucks charm. That's very cute. This is the cinnamon roll charm. And it's like, it's not one-sided either. It's like all the way through. They just did very well. They executed this well. Like from any direction that you look at it, it's still gonna look like what it's supposed to be. They didn't like half do it. This is the chocolate. And this is the cupcake, I believe. Very good quality, very professional. And I have one last box. In the comments below, let me know if you want me to do a video on how to style these, because some people probably don't know how to wear them. Like, they think that they're cute but might not know how to style it. So if you want me to show you how to do that, let me know down below. Oh, okay. And this one is a Starbucks necklace. Wow, these are so nice. This is insane that someone could have made this. You can't peel it off either. That's very good. Yeah, this is very good. Hold on, I think I tangled them in the process of my stupidity. Justin, leave. It's okay. Okay, so basically these are two more necklaces, and these are the last two items. So this one is a lemonade necklace to have me feeling like Beyonce and have me feeling sassy. It has, what is this? It has a lemon at the top, it has a straw, and it has some ice pieces in it, and that's very cute. And like the rest of the cup is just yellow all the way through, and I think that's so cute. And this is very summery. Like, this is very cute with like some shorts, a t-shirt, maybe some Vans or something in the summertime when you just want to be chill, sit on someone's porch because you don't have a house, and just relax until you go to jail for trespassing. And then here's a Starbucks one. Same outfit, same kind of mood when you become a repeat offender. These are very cute. Very good quality, very professional. And the people who made these are very talented to have made these by hand. Wow, these are sweet for real. That's why they call them Sugary Sweet Sisters. Like, I have diabetes now. And I haven't ate anything, like chewed anything in days. Just been milkshakes, and milkshakes, and milkshakes. Check out Sweet Sugary Charms to get some cute necklaces, jewelry, all that, and some charms. I will link all of their information in the description box below, so that will be their Instagram and their website. And please check them out. Just, they're really poppin'. Like, they're poppin'. They're poppin'. Bye my loves, and bye my peasants. Mwah.